Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is November the 21st on a Tuesday, heading into Thanksgiving holidays here. Huge move. I've been talking about this. We are gapping down a little bit today. Once again, I'm still looking for setups. I'm not willing to chase a lot of these stocks that have run very similar to what you see in the SPYs, but let's take a look at some setups real quick. A lot of these are gappers. I'm just going to kind of go through them really quick. The ones I have my eyes on. SYM, trying to get a break above this kind of, looks like about a 3-month high there. HIBB, another one on the list. This kind of, it is a really nice pattern going into earnings, is gapping up. So some of these are gapping up pretty high. Dix, I kind of like Dix because it has a huge gap. Now, obviously, I'm not looking for this thing to, you know, close this gap today, but you're looking at the 200-day moving average, so one to keep on the radar. METC, METC, is one that you need to put a price alert on because this one had an explosive move a few days ago, coming back here, tagging its 10-period moving average. Look for a reversal above that 3-day high there in METC. And one other one is Baidu, earnings play. Gapping up a little bit, nothing great, but if it does get above that 114.50 level, it could be, wanting to attempt that 50-period moving average. I don't know if that would happen today, but anyway, China's been a little bit tough back and forth, but that is an earnings play to watch out for. All right, guys, that's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Keep it tight. Bye-bye.